Here's Bennett. He just turned 3. He's going to show us what the letters say. What does it say, Bennett?
Yeah.
What's next?
J.
What does it say?
J.
Okay. What's next? What does it say? Okay. What's next?
Q.
What does it say?
What? A.
What letter is it?
I.
What's next?
H.
What does it say? What letter is it?
P.
What does it say? What's next?
K.
What does it say? What's next?
F.
What does it say? What's next?
E.
What does it say?
A.
What's next?
O.
What does it say?
R.
What's next?
D.
What does it say?
D.
What's next?
M.
What does it say? What letter is it?
N.
What does it say?
O.
What's next?
A.
What does it say?
A.
Good job. What's next?
G.
What does it say?
G.
What is it?
U.
What does it say?
A.
What letter is that?
N.
What does it say? What letter is that?
C.
What does it say?
After all, is a pizza.
What does it say?
B.
Be like Bennett. What's that one?
R.
What does it say? What's that one?
S.
What does it say?
You take me over the letters.
What's that one?
T.
What does it say? What's that one?
B.
What does it say? What's that one?
D.
What does it say?
What?
What's that one? What's that one?
Yeah.
Good job, Bennett.